following content is an update and technical analysis on Dogecoin cryptocurrency here off the weekly interval. A much larger picture. It's been quite some time, nearly over a year, since I've covered the cryptocurrency, whereas we actually called the top and issuing that sell signal, where you can search my playlist, search for Doge, and then we had issued a sell signal about a year ago. Issued that sell signal, and the entire trade was good for a 43% crash, nearly hitting a primary support target there. And now, as of a year later, I believe we've reached a key monumental inflection point as of now. Whereas we have this renewed primary symmetrical triangle pattern, multiple reactionary highs to help strengthen its validation. Down below, a primary reactionary low trend line off the June 2022 reactionary lows. Again, multiple reactionary lows to help strengthen that its validation. And we've cut through and now are taking out the key 68348 price support. Call it a big key inflection point that is now being breached. So you talk about just a dual line of support level, and it is being breached as of now. Multiple reactionary highs, reactionary lows right across the board there. It's going back since the big surge of 2021. And it is just such a profound, big level to watch. And we are taking that out now. I define that as close as you can, as a sell signal as you could possibly get there. And we cracked it last week. Whether we backtested this primary reactionary low trend line, which would again offer an additional objective entry short for the next move down below. Now, all traders, I can all but guarantee you, off the 523.10 price support there, call it the last line of support, where you have a massive air pocket down below. That is the ultimate, I believe, if taken out with authority and conviction, you will have a sustained big wave of selling, in my opinion, forced stops, liquidations going off all at once, where you have a massive air pocket in between for a much larger correction. There's $8 billion of liquidity, $8 billion of leverage that needs to get washed out, where you already have a confirmed crossovers here on the MACD, already breaking down below their zero line threshold. So you have damaging technical momentum indicators, even through the oscillator down below at zero line thresholds as well. And again, the risk reward ratio at this stage just favors a big move to the downside off a counter trend snapback rally right up back to that primary reactionary low trend line there at the bottom of the symmetrical triangle pattern, whereas you hit that first target for a 28% crash all the way down on undercutting of those lows down to 14,284 price support for a 80% crash, down to 71.87 price support there. Call it big support there at that point. For a 90% crash. Again, these are dollar cost average support zones if you're a long-term believer in Dogecoin. And then ultimately, I believe the biggest inflection point and biggest support level for Dogecoin is the 39.15 price support there for a 95% crash. If we have a prolonged wave of selling, I believe if we even get to that level right there, that is where I would initiate a buy signal and or buy order. That is a big, major primary support level with multiple, call it a multi-year reactionary high, reactionary low, primary support price level. And I believe I would only suspect some sort of a bounce at that point for a tradable bounce, a big tradable bounce to the upside if and when we get down to that price support level. Again, bull traders, dip buyers, they need to defend these. They need to defend this key level of price support really at all costs if they look into avert this price support level. And then ultimately break out of this primary reactionary high downtrend line off the 2021 April highs there. They need to break out of it and rally to the upside for a renewed substantial rally. Bear traders, short traders, they want to see a confirmed and solidified continuation of this breakdown, just salivating at the mouth below this key inflection point, like a hungry croc waiting for its prey.